Hey guys, so we did some little molds on camera, but you weren't zoomed in enough to really like see what I was doing. So I've got these other three that I think I'm just going to do, and we're going to zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing. Plus, you know, I need to use the rest of this resin before it starts setting up, so I'm going to put some of this beach color in. It's getting a little sticky, so I'm going to have to hurry and use it. Then we're going to put a line of white to create the waves right along the edge of the beach. Okay, then we're going to add some blue ocean. And these are little necklace trays, if you didn't watch the other one, to see, you know, kind of what was going on. This was just some leftover resin from a project, and I don't want to waste, so we're just doing it like this. So I'm making little beach themed necklaces. So I'm going to blow it out. So that it's not stark lines. I also am taking the tip of a paintbrush to bring the wave line back, and any little things I want to change, like there's a big goop of that color and I want to make it seem more wave-like. So I'm just going to mix it in there. Bring some of that color and sparkle, and then we just slide it over with the other ones, torch it, we are getting some tiny cells, and then we've got a couple more, so I want to make sure I get that in the screen where you guys can see it. But I also have to kind of go a little faster than I want to, because I don't want this resin to set up. I'm going to add the blue and then I'll add the rest, because I don't want the beach color to kind of fill in and take over too much. Okay, we're going to add just because the white for some reason gets really goopy, like almost like slime, I want to say. Okay. Just a touch of this, and then we'll maneuver it around where I want it. Okay, let's clean that off. Then I want to fix that white, and then we'll blow it out. Because the white is the wave. And then we're going to blow it out, and then I'm going to clean that off the edge right there. Come here, straw. Okay, and then I actually got a little bit on top of this necklace thing, and I need to make sure there's no resin on that. I mean, I'm sure you could take a hole punch and poke it out later on. That's actually my least favorite one so far, for some reason.